Man, I'm getting really bad at upload. It has not been that long, Tom. I mean, you can intro a video. It's okay. Again. All right. It has been far too long since I've done one of these videos, and I'm sorry. I've been really busy, but I'm back again. However, temporarily, because I needed to make a video because people were getting mad at me. How's it going, everybody? My name's Thomas Draven, back again, finally, for another video. It's been about a month since I've done any sort of content on my channel, and then before that, it was another month. I've been really busy and also kind of lazy, so now I'm back after a while, and I probably won't be back after this for probably another month. Just because school year's winding down and I have a lot of stuff to still do, and anyway, hair stuff. In this video, I'm taking a look at the newest product from the Lockhart's line, and that is Enigma. I mean, I guess we could call this a Prestyler Paradise episode, but honestly, this channel's consistency level is really, really low, so honestly, I don't really know if it really counts anymore. Sure, we'll call it Prestyler Paradise episode 7? 6? 6? 7. Alright, so anyway, the product here, Enigma, is a volumizing matte cream with a firm hold, and honestly, I find it to be one of the most revolutionary hair products we've had in history. It's freaking incredible. And so we'll get right into it. My hair is damp and I just got it cut yesterday. So looking at the product, it comes in this 8-ounce pump bottle, and of course when you dispense it, it comes out as a pure just cream goodness, and it is very easy to work with because it is so creamy and just breaks down right into the hands and into the hair. Alright, so that took maybe 10 seconds to fully distribute the product into my hair. I only took about half a pump because this product is surprisingly strong. Like, I remember the first time I used it, I tried 2 pumps and my hair was sort of set in place for like a day, and I couldn't even get like a comb through it very well. And then I tried 1 pump and even that was too strong. So I'm going for half a pump now, just to sort of give me sort of light volume that I can still run my hands through, and then I'll finish off with a stronger product. Alright, so I have my blow dryer here. I'm gonna go on high heat and high speed, just blowing my hair in the direction that I want it to go, and using this paddle brush to style. Here we go. Alright, so now that my hair is about 90% dry already, I have really awesome volume, really awesome texture. It's not dry, it's not greasy, it's just this perfect medium, but the hold is still really present and really nice for such a light product. So for finishing products today, I have the Lockhart's matte clay, but not the traditional one that you guys are more used to. A while back, Steve Lockhart of the Lockhart's authentic hair products, pomade, etc. company thing, posted on the Everything Pomade Facebook group that they were going to be moving their matte clay and transcend wax clay into their own in-house lab, and that this would be a permanent change. It didn't end up being a permanent change. It only lasted for about a weekend, and of course I had to jump on the opportunity to grab one of these clays because they had to make the consistency a lot smoother and creamier in order to make it run through their equipment properly. So I probably have one of a very limited selection of these Lockhart cream clays, as I'm calling them, and honestly I'm just waiting for them to do this again because this product is equally phenomenal to Enigma, and I will have a dedicated video to that in the future. So we're just gonna take it and scoop out just about that much, about a dime-sized amount, not too much at all. And it just works so easily into the hand. It's like nothing at all. And apply. Alright, so now that the product is applied and I look like a proper shark, just going right here, I'm actually going to take my blow dryer and finish off the style using this vented brush. Alright, so that is the style, and the one thing I will say about both of these products is that you can certainly feel them in your hair. That usually has to do with sort of a wax content or a clay content, which I imagine is pretty high in both of these products because they both contain clay pretty high up in their ingredients list. And frankly, it's not a downfall of this product or these products as a whole. I think that it actually sort of contributes more to the way they react in the hair and really bring in all the possibilities that your hair can achieve. Alright, so here's a 360 of the style. While I'm doing the 360, you can go down into the comment section down below and let me know if you've tried Enigma and what your thoughts are, and maybe let me know if you have one of the Lockhart's cream clays, because I'll buy it. Here we go. And there you have it. Lockhart's Enigma, Prestyler Paradise, Lockhart's Matte Clay, nice volume, nice hold, nice texture, revolutionary product. Glad to be back, glad I made this video. This is the start to a rockin' day. I hope you all have a good day. Peace.